Welcome to Beautyistic, where today we're going to talk about a product that promises both versatility and staying power, perfect for creating that signature smoky eye look. If you're someone who loves a bold eyeliner but is tired of the smudging and fading throughout the day, then you're in for a treat. The product I'm reviewing today is the Iredale Mystikol Powdered Eyeliner in Dark Topaz. This eyeliner is a water-resistant, crease-proof formula that promises to give you all the benefits of both cream and powder eyeliners. What's more, it features a built-in brush for precision or a more smudge smoky effect. It's vegan too, something that's becoming increasingly important to many of us as consumers. Now let's dive into the specifics. This eyeliner comes in a compact pencil form with a smooth, creamy texture that transitions into a powdery finish. Its water-resistant formula ensures that it stays put for hours, even through sweat or humidity, which is a major plus for those of us with oily lids or a busy schedule. Whether you're looking to create a sharp, defined line or a sultry smudge, this product offers that flexibility. And I can definitely say it lives up to its promise of being crease-proof. No more reapplying halfway through the day. I tested it out for several days, applying it both as a precise line along my lash line and as a smudged out smoky eye look. The built-in brush is handy for creating that softer, smudged effect, although I do prefer using my own eyeliner brush for a bit more control and precision. The pencil itself is easy to sharpen, and the product glides on without skipping or tugging at the delicate skin around your eyes. In terms of performance, I wore it through both a long workday and a couple of evening events, and I'm happy to report that it didn't budge. My eyeliner stayed in place, and I didn't notice any fading or smudging by the end of the day. This is a game changer for anyone who struggles with eyeliner that disappears or smudges as the day goes on. Now let's break it down. Pros: water resistant, perfect for long days, humidity, or if you're heading to an event where you know you'll be sweating a little. Crease-proof, no need to worry about it gathering in the creases of your eyelids. Vegan formula, ideal for those who prefer cruelty-free products. Versatility, you can use it for a sharp, defined line or smudge it for a softer, smoky look. All-day wear, no touch-ups required. Cons: the built-in brush. While the brush is convenient, I found that it doesn't offer as much control as a dedicated eyeliner brush, which might be a drawback for those who prefer precision. Price point: Iredale products tend to be on the pricier side, so this might not be for everyone, especially if you're on a budget. When it comes to value for money, I think it's safe to say that this product is on the higher end in terms of price, but the quality speaks for itself. If you've ever used a cheaper eyeliner only to find it smudging or fading by the afternoon, you know that sometimes it's worth investing in a product that holds up all day. The staying power, water resistance, and crease-proof formula make it a worthy contender for anyone looking for a reliable eyeliner. As for alternatives, there are other great cream-to-powder formulas out there, but few that offer this level of performance in terms of staying power and versatility. If you're looking for something less expensive, you might want to try the Maybelline New York Tattoo Studio Waterproof Gel Pencil, which also offers great staying power at a more affordable price point. However, if you're looking for a vegan formula, the Iredale Mystikol is a solid choice. So, would I recommend the Iredale Mystikol Powdered Eyeliner? If you're someone who struggles with eyeliner smudging or fading throughout the day, or if you love a smudged, smoky look, then absolutely. The all-day staying power and versatility make this a standout in the world of cream-to-powder eyeliners. That said, if you're on a tighter budget or prefer a more precise application, this might not be your perfect match. If this review was helpful to you, please hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so you don't miss any of our honest beauty reviews here on Beautyistic. Your support helps us keep bringing you great content like this. Thanks for watching. And if you've tried the Iredale Mystikol Eyeliner, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.